On our last Jeep adventure,
We took you to Hassayampa River
join us now as we take you.
on a camping off-road adventure. So this is the road that goes to the campsite that we are staying at. What's the name of it?
Sufine Del Rey.
So the road's pretty good. It's a little bumpy because it's got some ruts in it from tires and vehicles, but it's pretty good. Little tight in spots and windy.
Super beautiful pine trees.
I think right there.
Look, it's not the desert. There's no cactus.
Nope, not one.
We're still in Arizona.
Yeah, so you just got to be careful when you take these turns. Right, Aaron?
Yeah, it's having fun.
Aaron, do you want to tell them that you ended up getting the tent that fits the United States Army?
Lo and behold, the A&G adventure tent, big enough for 5, because Gidget last time put us in a tent that wouldn't fit 1. No more pump tents for me.
Finn, come back here. Come on. Come on. It is a big tent, too.
It's not that big.
Yeah, it is. Let's go inside and explore it. Oh, he's already got one cot put up.
Since you're in there, here.
There's the other half.
Delivery. UPS.
Haha. Aaron's trying to get our water out of the Jeep. He put it around the headpiece of the passenger seat, and now he can't get it off.
I got it off.
Yay, you got it! Had to empty it though, didn't you?
Yep. I suggest we don't do that again.
There's Finnick. There's a Finnick doggy. Hey, Finnick doggy. You knocked your water over again, didn't you? Get that fly. Get that fly. Oh, sorry. Me, I'm just sitting here in the chair. Just chilling. No shoes. This is our new way of cooking. We're just boiling water so we can add it to our instant camping food.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Got those. This beef stew. You said chicken or rice. Chicken or rice. Chicken fried rice. So this morning we're doing another Mountain House adventure meal. This is the breakfast skillet. Stuff we had last night wasn't too bad. And then this little stove has worked pretty accurately. I didn't like this when we put it on, it shot propane everywhere. It was kind of a mess. But other than that, the stove kind of works. I want to get smaller cans for it so it doesn't sit up so high. And then of course, I love you most. These are Gidget's in my cups. So she'll have hot chocolate and I'll of course have coffee because that's what I normally drink when we camp.
Use you. Alright, hold on, hold on. Wait for me. Good morning.
Morning. Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you, Gidget's taking Fen for a quick walk. But you gotta just see this incredible view. I don't know if I can do this very accurate. I'll do a second shot too, just in case. But look at that. That's our morning. How'd you like to wake up to that? Huh? Incredible trees and everything else. Let me flip this camera over. There you go. Look at this view. I mean, that's the way you start off a morning, especially camping. We're in an off-road today, a little bit in the middle. You can see there's the Jeep parked right there. 100% nature, and we're the only ones in on this end of the campground. There are people down on the other side, but this is just us, me and Finn, and it has just been phenomenal. Thank you for coming on this adventure with us. I know this is a little different where we added some camping to the four-wheel drive, but people were saying they'd like to see more of us, so that's what we're trying to do. Look at this, guys. We had kind of a hard time loading the Jeep back up. We got too much stuff. I bought a tent too big. The bag that holds the air mattresses ripped, so they expanded. We had to ratchet them down. Unfortunately, we don't have the footage for that. Look a lot like the Keystone Cop type thing, you know? Oh wow, look at that. That is beautiful. What do you think, Gidge?
About which part?
All of it. Mountain, camping trip. Good, bad?
Good, bad, and the ugly. No, it was alright.
This is worthless. Hi guys!
We are not on the right road that we were supposed to be on because
It's closed.
yeah, so right now we're going up to the Pinal Peak just to take a look at it, and then after that we're gonna probably go home the way we came because the road he wanted to take is closed.
Yeah, four-wheel drive's got a big sign on it. Says this trail is temporarily closed.
Yeah, it could be because of it was washed out from all the rain or a fire or something. Hey Finn! Finnick,
So,
where you at?
but I'm
Hello?
kind of glad we went this way because this is beautiful. If you guys could see this, this is monstrously beautiful.
That's our view right now.
It's more Gidget's view because I have to drive.
You want me to drive?
No. I can't hang on that tight.
Very funny. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And stay tuned for our next Jeep adventure. Until then, this is AG signing off.